simulation-based courseware with a simple drag-and-drop graphical interface. An interface that any instructor can use to easily create dynamic, interactive courseware without the help of computer engineers or other specialized personnel. Imagine being able to use this courseware for interactive, self-paced, computer-based training that students can complete on their own from anywhere at any time, and that you can use to monitor and assess performance at every stage as students progress through the course. Imagine being able to teach a class using courseware you develop and combining it with the use of a virtual simulator, interacting in real time with the system that you're teaching. Imagine demonstrating procedures and answering what-if scenarios, knowing that the system simulation is 100% accurate regardless of whether that system is in a normal or abnormal state. Imagine knowing that all of your presentation material, including media like PowerPoints, videos, and PDFs, is synchronized and presented from a single interface. Now, take this one step ahead. All students in the class have a virtual simulator station, and you're able to monitor and interact with each student station remotely from your instructor station. CAE's suite of powerful instructor tools allows you to do all this, revolutionizing how instructors create and deliver training for civil aviation. Presenting the CAE Simfinity Instructor Toolbox, the Virtual Instructor Tool, the Instructor Aid Tool, and the Classroom Instructor Tool. 3 of the easiest courseware creation and delivery tools you'll ever use. First, the Virtual Instructor Tool is a courseware development tool that significantly reduces the need for specialized courseware developers, graphics designers, and software programmers. This tool allows instructors to easily develop courseware material that can be used to deliver training in a classroom environment or for self-paced learning. And it provides a built-in progression tracking and assessment capability. The VIT features a graphical interface within a virtual simulator that an instructor can use to record procedures or capture specific system states. Cockpit areas are easily highlighted, and graphical pictograms can be used to point to different controls and indications. At any point in the lesson, external media such as PowerPoint slides or a video capture can be inserted to help explain the workflow. You have the ability to save and recall any screen state at any time with just one click. You can easily modify and maintain your procedures and lessons using a simple and intuitive user interface. Other features of the Virtual Instructor Tool enable the presentation of courseware in multiple modes. For example, an instructor-led presentation can be modified for use as a self-paced lesson, or even be configured as an assessment, all using the same basic presentation while eliminating expensive production time. All of this is possible to create with easy drag-and-drop commands. No further coding is required. Once your presentation is created, it can be incorporated into a structured instructor-led course and run using the second tool in the CAE Simfinity set, the Instructor Aid Tool. The Instructor Aid Tool uses a step-by-step panel to advance through your course material while keeping track of where you are in your lesson. This capability is embedded in a virtual simulator that allows you to take control at any time to interact with the simulation. You can address any student question which may arise beyond the intended scope of the original lesson. Once you've addressed the question, simply return to where you left off in your presentation by recalling your recorded state and continuing with the training. In a networked classroom environment, the third tool in the CAE Simfinity set, the Classroom Instructor Tool, provides the ability to monitor each student's progress from the instructor's computer. The instructor can send different lessons or modules to different students. The instructor can take control of individual student stations to help them progress through difficult situations or modify their simulation at any time to assess their reaction to an emergency or malfunction. The CAE Simfinity Instructor Toolbox is the optimum tool set available to develop elite pilots and aircraft maintenance technicians. It empowers instructors to convey their knowledge in a dynamic, real-time simulation environment. Students effectively gain their own experience before ever leaving the training center. You don't have to imagine this easy-to-use courseware development and delivery capability. It's reality now, and you can have it all in the Instructor Toolbox for CAE Simfinity.